To delete a WordPress website from HostGator, follow these steps to ensure a clean removal. Log into your HostGator account. Go to the HostGator website and log into your account using your credentials. Access cPanel. Once logged in, navigate to the cPanel by selecting Launch cPanel from the dashboard. Open Softaculous or WordPress Manager. In cPanel, scroll down to the Software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer or WordPress Manager. Locate your WordPress installation. In Softaculous, click on the WordPress icon. You will see a list of WordPress installations. Uninstall the WordPress site. Find the WordPress site you want to delete and click on the Remove or Uninstall option. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to remove files, database, and directory. Confirm deletion. Select the options to remove the website files and the database if you want a full deletion. Confirm the action by clicking Remove Installation. Delete website files. You can manually delete website files from File Manager in cPanel if necessary.